Welcome to the world of data structure. Our today's topic is binary tree traversal post order. Hi, this is your instructor Janice Shah. So let's begin with the outlines. Students, outlines are post order. Okay, as we already know about the pre-order and in-order traversal operations in which we are just performing or visiting each and every node of tree according to the in-order and pre-order. Here it is a sequence for the post-order. See, in post-order, we just perform operations in LRV manner. L stands for left, R stands for right, and V stands for visit. Fine. So here we are going to perform the operations according to the LRV manner. Okay. Before this, in order, we perform operation according to the which manner? In order. That means LVR, and then pre-order, it means VLR. Okay. So students, if you can observe that in order, that is LVR, root node comes in middle of the answer. Okay. Then in pre-order, we visited root node very first, and here in post order, we are going to visit root node at the last. That's why it's known as LRV manner, left, right, and visit. Okay, so let's start with the example. Here the tree is, root node is A. On the left side of A we have O, right side of A we have F. On the left side of O we have P, right side is L, right side of P we have H, left side of L we have E. For F, if I consider F, then on the left of F we have J, right side Q, and on right side of J we have G. Okay, so whenever you are just narrating the binary tree, okay, so you have to speak like this, that which node is on the left side and right side. Fine. Now first, here what we need to do is, students, if you remember, here we just need to write down the LRV tag on each and every node. So I'm just doing it, starting with the root node, then I'm just writing out on each and every node over here for G, then L, P. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. So each and every node, I'm just writing down on each and every node L, R, and V. Now answer bucket right now it is empty, so let's start to fill it fast. So first we have the post order traversal, that is L, R, and V. That means you first need to go on the left side, then right side, and then need to perform visit operation. So first let's start with the left side operation. So just cut down the left for node A, just cut down the L left, and then move towards node O. Friends, where to go? Fast. That is L. L means left side. So here on the left side of O we have P. Okay, good. Now again on the left side. So on the left side of P we have nothing. So we just need to stop over there and take the next operation for P. Okay. So I'm just cut down the R and move towards the right side of P, and we found H. On the right side of P we found H. Students, make sure if you found the figure little bit clumsy or H and E are near, that means we can say H and E are near dear, fine, but make sure P have right side, H only. Okay, E is not a child of P. Okay, so on the right side of P we have H. So let's do H as a leaf node. So don't think much, just cut down L, cut down R, and then which operation is remaining? Okay, for that is V. Okay, that means visit the node. So cut down V, then visit H, and write H in our answer bucket. Now here L, R, and V, all three nodes are successfully all three operations are successfully done. What we need to do is we just need to move forward to the parent node. Parent node of H is P, so let's move towards P. Okay, so let's move towards P. Okay, which operation is pending over here? That is visit. So now visit P, cut V, visit P and write P in the bucket of answer. Okay, now the next here again L, R and V, all three operations successfully done. So let's move towards the parent node of P, that is O. So what we need to do is we just need to move towards R, that means right side of O. Okay, so let's start with that operation again. So on the right side of O, students, we have L. Okay, so let's do operation on the left side of L. So first we need to go on the left side of L, cut L, go on the left side of L, we have E. Okay, so now what happens with E? Again on the left side of E, is there any node? No, because E is a leaf node. So what to do? Just cut down on L and R, both of them. Cut down on L and R, both of them, and let's move further. So just cut down L, cut down R. Now what operation is still pending? That is V. That means visit a node. So I'm just visiting E first, and then write down the visit E in the bucket of answer, and then as L, R, V, all three operations are done successfully. So I need to move from parent node of E. Okay, students, what is the parent node of E? That is L. That is L. Let's move towards L again. Okay, on L, is there any operation is pending? Yes, which is that? That is R. So you need to perform right side operations. Okay, is there any child on the right side of L? No. So just cut down R and let's move further. Let us visit. Okay, so visit L and write L in the answer. Fine. Now all operations are successfully done on L. So what to do? Just move towards O again. So O, then we need to visit O. So visit O and write O in the answer bucket over here. Okay, fine. See, L, R, V done for the O. So move towards root node A, which is a parent node of O. Now, what operation is still pending? R and V, both are still pending. So first we need to perform a right operation and then move towards visit. So let's start with the right side. Right side of A, we found F. So on the F, we first need to go towards the left side. So let's start with the left of F. So on the left side of F, students, we will find J. We will find J. So what to do? This is L, R, V. So first we need to go on the left side of J. Is there any node on the left side of J? No. Is there any node? No. So just move towards the next operation, that is R. Is there any node on the right side of J? Yes. So let's move towards the right side of J. Right side of J, students, we have G. So let's go or reach towards G. Now see, left and right both are emptied for node G because it's a leaf node. So just do the last operation, that is visit G. So I'm just performing visit G over here and write down G in my bucket. L, R, V done. What to do? What to do? Just move towards the parent node of G, that is J. Let's move towards J. Then visit J. Okay, so visit J. Fine. So next is LRV done for the J. Okay, so let's move towards the root parent node of J, that is F. Okay, so here in F you need to go on the right side of Q. Still you didn't touch root node. According to the LRV, you still didn't touch root node. Okay, you have to visit at last only. Okay, see, that's its right of side operation. So on the right side we have Q. Then Q is a leaf node, students, we know that. That's why just cut down L, cut down R, and then visit Q. So here I'm just inserting Q in my visited nodes bucket. Fine. Now what I have? I have A and F. So as LRV is completed, move towards back to the F. So visit F. I'm just visiting F. I've done in my answer bucket, and at last, as LRV completed on node F, get back to the parent node, that is root node A. What operation is still pending? That is visit. So as finally we just need to visit node A. Fine. Visiting node A, write down in the answer. So after performing post order operations, students, my answer is H, P, E, L, O, G, J, Q, F and A. Fine. Now if you notice again, in post order operation, our root node is on the last side. See, now I am just showing you in order, pre-order and post order answers. That is your in order answer. P, H, O, E, L, A, J, G, F and Q, where you are performing LVR method. Then that is pre-order, that is VLR method, and the answer is A, O, P, H, L, E, F, J, G, Q. Okay. And in post order, the root node is at last. That's why H, P, E, L, O, G, J, Q, F and A. Now, if you can see in this all three lines, in order, pre-order and post-order, in order root node is in the middle of something, then in pre-order root node is very first, and in post-order root node is at last. Okay. Now, if you just make your observation power more, then you can see that root node is at top. Now, all the nodes situated on the left side of the root node, again repeating the sentence, all the nodes situated on the left side of the root node are all on the left side in order. See, just check it out. In order, highlighted node A, very first line. Okay, on the left side of A, nodes are P, H, O, E, L. Fine. On the right side of A, the nodes are J, G, F, Q. Got it? J, G, F, Q. Okay, so it is very much easy to write down the in order, where root node is middle of something and all the left side nodes or left subtree nodes on the left side of root node and right subtree nodes are on the right side of the root node. Fine. So these are the operations in order, pre-order and post-order traversals that you need to perform in exam. It might be asked in 7 or 5 to 7 marks. Okay, where you need to perform all three operations: in order, pre-order and post-order. So that's it for today's lecture. Thank you so much, students.